Hey y'all, I am obsessed with doing foot and toe exercises in order to ensure that I will always have that foundation beneath me, strong and secure and mobile and flexible to support everything above. By the way, if your feet are happy, your knees will be more happy. And if your feet are happy, you will be less likely to fall. So, happy feet, this is what we do. Okay, 2 feet. I can do this sitting in my chair, but I'm going to do it standing right now. As long as your feet are on the ground, you could be sitting. Big toe presses down and pulls your little toes up. And then switch that. Little toes down, big toes up. And switch it again. So I'm just taking our feet back and forth. Now, if your toes are not cooperative, please continue if you're following along and you're doing just fine. But if this is new to you, hey, here's what you got to do. You got to get close to your feet, and you can hold your little toes down as you literally pull your big toe up, and then switch that. Hold your big toe down and pull your little toes up. So you're training your toes to do this work, and that is a really good thing to do. So I do this all the time, and you should too, okay? The toes lifting and switching, okay? That's it. Then the pony, we do the pony. So we're gonna send the knee forward, put the weight on the ball and toes, and you're pushing down on the balls and toes of your feet, alternating. And you can get a little impact work here too by letting the heel kind of bounce. Excellent. The pony. All right. Next up for our feet, take a seat. All right, you're gonna sit down, and then my chair is really noisy. Sorry about that. All right, lift a leg up. You're in a seated figure 4. Very nice stretch, I might say. Take the opposite hand into a fist and start pushing and massaging in a nice firm way. Push up towards the ball of your foot. So you're gonna just press it up, press it up. Good. Do that a few times. And then we'll do the plantar fasciitis prevention or treatment that I suggest. It worked for me. Grab a hold of your heel and squeeze it. Take your other hand and rub the top of your foot, and then think of folding your foot in. So now you're pulling the top of your foot down while holding firmly onto the heel and giving the top of the foot a stretch. Excellent. And if you do currently suffer from plantar fasciitis, you might want to try this exercise and holding it for 2 minutes at least twice a day. Worked for me and some of my loved ones. Okay, and release. Good, and let's just do some ankle rolls on that foot and the other direction. Circle the ankle, the foot, around and around. Okay, that was side 1. Let's do side 2. Okay, so first thing is your figure 4. And then we'll take a fist and push up, literally very strong. Push up. Massage internally that fascia. Your feet are gonna love ya. Good. And now, after a few of those, we'll do the plantar fasciitis stretch. Grab a hold of the heel, take the top of your foot and fold. Pull back, pull in. Beautiful job. Okay, and release that, and then take that leg, that side, that foot, that ankle, and give it some circles. Ankle circles, one direction, and then the other. Woo, so good. Ankle mobility. All right, there it is. I suggest doing this literally every day, however that will fit into your life. I usually do these exercises first thing in the morning as part of my morning routine. I also offer some of them at the beginning of my yoga sessions as warm-ups to yoga. So figure out what works for you, and improving your foot strength and mobility will be great for your ongoing future ability to have excellent balance. All right. Thanks.